Hi guys, Kelly Cook with Books with the Cooks, and I have another bear book today. I love bears. I have Bear's New Friend. I hope you watched Bear Snores On, or listened, I guess listened and watched. And so this is still about Bear. In the woods in the sun on a hot summer day, Bear feels an itching to head out and play. He goes to find Mouse, his littlest friend, but just as Big Bear heads round the bend, there's a clatter in the tree. Oh, what could it be? And the bear asks, who? Bear calls, is that Mouse who hides in the tree? But Mouse scurries up and squeaks, it's not me. Bear scratches his head. Who's hiding up there? Mouse shrugs his shoulders. Perhaps it's Hare. Remember Hare? Mouse starts to shout, come out, friend, come out. And the bear asks, who? Wonder who it could be. Nobody answers. Who is it? Asks Bear. They peek in the tree, but nobody's there. Bear cries, no one's here. But where did they go? Then Hare hops along and says, howdy-ho. Something sped past, going fast, fast, fast. And the bear asks, who? Hare says, let's go follow to see what we see. Bear says, is it Badger? Who else could it be? But there's by the log with Gopher and Mole, Badger is peering into a deep hole. It's not Badger. It's not Mole. It's not Gopher. Who is it? Come look if you dare. There's someone down there. And the bear asks, who? Bear says, it's not us. But who is it then? I know, says Badger. It's Raven or Wren. But Raven and Wren flapped down from the sky. We saw all our friends, and we thought we'd fly by. Up from the ground comes a rustling sound, and the bear asks, who? Everyone's looking. Who are you down there? Who is it, I say? Why stay in that hole? Why hide the whole day? Why don't you like us? Why? Then a trembling voice says, because I am shy. Oh, he's got a new friend that's very shy. My Logan was very shy. So was I. That sure changed. Two eyes, peekaboo, and the voice says, who? And the bear says, hi. Look at those little eyes. They're peeking out. They are. I'm Bear, howdy ho. That's Mouse and that's Hare. And Gopher and Mole are standing right there. Next to those bushes sits Raven and Wren. Come swimming with us in the pool by the glen. Please do not hide. Come on outside then. Then, let's see what happens. An owl says, hoo. They've got a new friend. Friend owl, kind of like in Winnie the Pooh. That's another good one. I love Winnie the Pooh books. Maybe I'll have to get some of them too. Hello, I'm Owl, and I'm sorry I hid. I'm just a bit bashful, and that's why I did. Bear says, hello, friend. Come on, cries Mole, and they all scamper off to the old swimming hole. They splash and have fun in the hot summer sun with Bear's new friend. And that was Bear's New Friend, Friend Owl. What a cute book. I love the bear books. They're my favorite. I say that all the time. I have a lot of favorites. All right, that was Books with the Cooks with Kelly Cook, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.